Children, weather keeps changing. It does not remain the same. The weather changes during the day. Sun rises in the morning. At noon, the sun shines very brightly. Sun sets in the evening. Same way, the weather changes season to season. Today, we are going to learn about rainy season. During the rainy season, the sky is filled with clouds. There are strong winds blow. There are showers from time to time. Sometimes heavy rainfall, thunder and lightning. Children, are you scared of thunder? Rainy season comes at the end of the summer. It starts from the month of June and goes on till the month of September. It brings relief from heat. During this season, rivers and ponds are filled with water. This weather is helpful for agriculture. The trees and plants look green, shining and beautiful. People use raincoats and umbrellas to protect themselves from getting wet. In rainy season, people like to eat warm food and like to drink warm milk, warm water, warm soup, etc. Children, I hope you all understood about rainy season. Let's sing a rhyme. Pitter patter, hear the raindrops chitter chatter. Bring your umbrellas and raincoat. Time to float your paper boat. Don't get scared by the thunder sound. It's time for us to dance in the rain. The greener days are here again. Pitter patter, hear the raindrops chitter chatter. Bring your umbrellas and raincoat. Time to float your paper boats. Children, thank you.